I'm trying to get her to make that cute sound. I'm trying to get on camera.
What's she doing? Hello, princess. Yes. Daisies. Oh, Nanny making all kinds of noises. Yeah. What you doing, big girl? Yeah. What's she doing? What's that? What are you doing? I see you. Is that your toe?
She loves her book too. She was chewing on this part and everything. It's perfect.
So you're chewing on the book? Yes. So I was chewing just a little bit. Yes, it was. I just... What? What is that? What?
Hi there, Papa. And your work closed.
Hi, buddy.
Hi, Nanny.
Hello. Hello, beautiful. What is it? Oh.